Hi guys, welcome to our channel, Babes Life and the UAs. I need to harvest our paper, guys. I put to my pot on Bisaya. I'm cooking vegetable today. So our paper over here is big na eh. So we need to harvest. Ito sanang gabi, guys. Masarap to ihalo sa gulay. Kaso nangangati man ako eh. I think this one we need to transfer this in the pot. Look like it's not. This is spinach eh. Look like they don't like direct to the ground. Look at that guy. Because our paper guy, oh look. See? Harbison na tayo ko kayo. Ito have 3, 1, 2, 3. But still have flowering. This also over her have. But because look, in the ground na. So we need to harvest. Mataas pa to eh. Harbison po na akong isagay kasi nasa ground siya eh. So that is enough. Let's go. Lunch, guys. Yummy. That's all. Grits. Hi, guys. I'm done our lunch, guys. Our lunch is so yummy. Vegetable and grits, guys. It's very yummy. Still have leftover.
I'll never forget that. Not least the street again after that. When I rushed today. President Trump did mention today, Philip, that he spoke with President
For tomorrow. And the grits, guys. This is the grits.
Perhaps he encouraged the president to be more forceful in his discussions with Russians.
Isang kaldero. Isang kaldero ang grits, guys. So we need to put the tray here. Ang dami kong sinaing, guys. Nag-grits. Ah, sarap ng dukot, guys. Ang dukot, ang dukot, ang dukot. Sarap yung dukot. Okay.
So you have what you think you guys. We have new reactions now from the family of Sheridan Gorman after the illegal migrant suspect was released not once but twice under President Biden has now pled not guilty to her murder. Because let me tell you what this actually looks like. He's an empty seat at the table. It's silence where there used to be laughter. Waking up every day knowing that his child is gone. Nothing is going to change that.
I need to put the tray there. Oh, this is so good, guys. So hot.
We had a whole lot of experts sitting there for over 2 decades. Finance of America has helped homeowners find a better way to unlock home.
Look at that.
Personalized rates for first mortgage options for almost 18 months.
Ang bango, guys. Grabe. Mabango. Mabango siya, guys. Mabango.
Go up to $4 million. So you can do your home renovations, supplement your cash flow, or take care of unexpected medical expenses.
Ang
Still
tagdo
live
po.
in your home.
Sarap.
95% of our customers would recommend financing
Yummy.
their homes with Rent. Thousands of five-star.
Greg, I wonder, like, why are the Dems more mad that the
What
fraud
are
was
you
taking place
doing
and
there?
taking money away from the people they say they want to help?
Because, Dana, didn't you hear it's happening on both sides?
Let's go. We are hot because it's rainy. But the rain is stopping. Larson yan, gayo. My idol. And I wear my jewelry. We made this jewelry, guys. Let's go. Hi guys, unboxing guys from Walmart. We do grocery shopping from Walmart guys because we went to the post office guys. We sent paperwork of the tax and then going to Walmart. Yeah, we bought this guy also baby spinach guys. Spinach. Reduce the price guys. And celery. And we bought this. How much we bought it? Look like only ano guys. This is the small anyway. Not even $3 guys. In the Philippines, this is so expensive. And this red potato, guys. And the rosemary and the thyme. Because we do crock pot, guys. Slow cooker. This one. This kind of pizza, guys, from Walnut is really good, guys. That's our lunch today, guys. Our lunch today is pizza. And have still another. This is lighter anyway. Very big. Beef onion. This one, the ano, guys, the thermometer if you cook something. Subot banana. Plantain to, guys, plantain. It's plantain. Hey. Wow. We try this Kikoman soy sauce. Please sodium, so not very salty. Beef broth for the slow cooker. The onion, salt and pepper, and the candle, tomato fish. That is the recipe they is the last one. My husband bought one piece because this is the we don't like the other color, guys. Mushroom, avocado, this one, carrot, and we bought this beef, kind of beef, guys, for the slow cooker. And that's it, guys. How much this thing? Wow, 104. 104, guys. Imagine mo, ito lang, guys, 104 na. That's it, guys. Everything is that. And 104 na. Hi, guys. Let's eat, guys. Let's eat lunch, guys. Hot sauce. Because we eat pizza. I like to put hot sauce in my pizza, guys. We need to soak later the ano. Let's eat, guys. Pizza, guys. Check na.